Learning Environments Australasia, LEA, exists to make better spaces for the future for kids. So that's part of what we're looking at today, is how do we plan for the next 20 years at schools to make them happier, healthier places for all students. I think one of the great things with an event like today is to get that collaboration from a lot of different people. So that's what we try and do with these type of hands-on workshops, and to hear from every voice. I think it's important to hear from students, it's important their voices are heard, and so that's the kind of thing we can get out of today, hopefully.
Schools most definitely need to do more work when it comes to student voice and agency, and really thinking about how we're supporting our young people to have a say in the master planning and development of what a well-being focused school looks like across any particular facility.
Today's been a great exchange of student perspectives and hopefully industry wisdom that kind of comes alongside that might be able to frame up the what if question. What if we could design anything in our schools? What would it look like?
So today is really about connecting with QUT, really opening up the young people's eyes to connecting with the design students here at QUT. And really connecting them in with the ideas that are flowing around school design and improving schools for well-being.
It's definitely been a great experience to come out to QUT and work on different workshops, and it's good to see their insights.
Yeah, I'd definitely like to thank QUT for hosting, Learning Environments Australia for putting on the event, and all of the partners who are here, the architects and the QUT students and lecturers, for making this all happen and this fantastic experience for our young people.